yenua Alfred aka de eko Sika Tokurom 11:50 on Adom TV so yeguso eno etinkondwa so a yesomo na onso wo hwe ama arena etimi afa ne ntoma pa efranti Alfred aye crowd de a na ye kone akohwe sika ne obetimi ede ache Alfred
ala tula
apom ye boko de
nyame na adom bi aboko
oba no ho ye
nyame adom ne ho ye
wasese ho ye
obi a ho ye ala tula
yes wasese o ya de wo de ye abeko de na wo de
me de wo beko me de wo beko kenke boutique program pa omo ye hey e was so many yes I show no was so many 26 October e just abeton na ase abeton na ase back to the base odru agomenya anymore abaywa sabis baby sabina o jinenimu kama mushroom wo chale ayi wo mkoto
wasini aduane de nti ho afui nti aduane de bi pie
alatula
okay
nti alatula endra last week Grofo first kegu on bottom 17 odds abo peche aye green enchakura beba e wo your screen so kama na alatu ye last game no na e boxing game bi na ye callings na na ebo hey first round to poor na callings that form na me ma me say hey callings ni basically na do be dia agree callings hwe ye na o say game na o so ya ball o say game na Collins so say abo and Collins mia nani e ma nyoma dane e ma boys efa 17 us de ba de egu omubotom e ma omudie fe inti ya nchakra e na aba wo screen so no ohun Sika Tokurom games e boy ohun nice game kama your first game ni fa Dortmund versus Leipzig you pick over 2.5 goals 2.5 bookies 3 or more cards e by your next game so na Arsenal versus West Ham you pick 2 up for Arsenal win here you for Manchester United make us so fufu afi and omo me ni age in this game omo bo mo homoden e she Sunderland Porto in the next game so you Inter Milan versus Cremonese ono so win here na mark green Chelsea Liverpool yan high and one kofa win bia ya see game where dan ntwa bebem eni brebebem and also 3 yellow card by man boy Real Madrid versus Villarreal and also Real Madrid Mbappe in Crawford ebo adwuma ne man Lazio versus Torino sa game win 6 goals na epiemu and also card no so edos ye pa over 3.5 card ebo we na card na 7 nti and also 5 game win Collins Nathaniel on Laurent na Cristobal and komo ya atete yen ba nyame adom no ewurade Yesu Collins no ho poto alatu week we so ye sign the biom eba week win games ni week win games na ni esan so ye 17 odd biom last week we 100 Ghana unya be 1008 bi de ba de eto ho this week game no so ni your first game no Norway versus Israel
and the idea games the World Cup qualifiers because last weekend was
Lake
yes
World Cup qualifiers when you Europe for the no before the any fan count because I do be any penny abre one shower so I say nti your first game Norway versus Israel your chair Israel 1 in your call Norway home win where your friend handicap 1 for Israel Norway win asiane say yen share game na see kra Israel di kan ahye 1 that will ticket no so nti your ball game no na say Israel e share goal bia ye de ba be kan Israel de no ho nti o share 1 a ye de ba be kan ba be 2 nti sisi a Norway be de 2-0 nti Norway so game we say boy say Norway share na bia 2-0 3-1 4-1 your next game so the same thing handicap 1 away win which is Bulgaria Turkey the same thing Portugal Ireland Spain Georgia the 2 goals for Georgian Hungary Armenia 2 up for Austria versus Luxembourg booking code na da ase no and any bet we be ho ntimi hyehyɛ code na B for boy W for wa 1844221A for ama in a 5 and a booking code me see so intentema BW1844221A5
okay
and one no
Alfred you better was say abusuafo you better draw the curtains down on Saturday's edition of Sports Arena I dey April Adom TV so 10:30 and you know etina say premono to anesa enti yedo AC but yede aseda ebema eye abadwafo mo ba ema dwumadi no eye wo de na esan eye wo fe menim say ye discussions be with regards to Black Stars performance otoado ochina game Nigeria chances of qualifying you room ewo eye Kotokonso camp Ghana Premier League matches yinanso no yasan edi home komo boardroom ye do room ewo Black Stars performance coach Isaiah Pound mo under Comoros games ne ade bia Sika Tokurom yasan ama odds enti ye dwumadi no AC ha ye dey aseda ebema say wohwe ye the entire team control room sound for light for camera crew ne wona etwitwi ye nim ane ye nim eye hire ya wosa ehwe ye no ye de besi ama eye dwumadi aka ato so ye ne Dennis Asamoah ofemala tula mejo so mrepam ye besa hia na de aka bia no ye de ato so no miensa anim hia e wo radio asempa na yemfa avenue 1 so emawo makramo